Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be creating this rainbow ombre swiped buttercream cake. I'm using a 6-inch cake that's already been stacked and crumb coated, and I'm going on with white buttercream. I'll be sure to leave the recipe for the buttercream in the description box for you guys. I always start at the top and then flatten it out, that way there's like a lip overhanging, and when you go on with buttercream onto the side of your cake, it raises that lip, and so we're able to create a sharper edge by removing it later on. However, for this cake, I'm actually going to leave it standing. So I am smoothing it out, filling in any pockets as I go, and then continuing to smooth until I'm happy with the finish. It doesn't have to be perfect though, because we are going to go in with a spatula and swipe some color into the frosting. I'm loading just the tip of my spatula with a little bit of colored buttercream, swiping about 3 or so times, and then reloading again with color. You can always go over the same spatula swipe twice if it's lacking, or if you just want to redo it for any reason. Clean up your spatula, change colors, and continue to swipe until you reach the base of the cake. You can experiment with the swipes as well. They don't have to be diagonal. You could have them travel upways. You could use a much smaller spatula for a more concentrated amount of swipes. Totally up to you. And then from here I will clean up the board and toss on there some flowers, just a flower even, made out of fondant. Really elevates the look of the cake and adds a bit of height to it too. Whenever I add flowers, I find that's a really good idea to add some leaves along with it, even just for that extra pop of color. These are on a wire and I'm just placing them into the cake. You can have them entering through a straw so that the wire does not make contact with the actual cake on the inside. And then while the buttercream is still wet and sticky, I'm going to toss on some edible gold trickies in 2 different sizes. I try to make it a habit that whenever I add edible trickies or sprinkles on the side of the cake, I go for different sizes just to add that elegant element. I find that it looks a lot more elegant when you have a few different sizes on there. And that's it. It's a very simple cake, perfect for beginners. I hope you guys enjoyed it and give it a go. If you do, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.